Good morning, my dear kids. Welcome back to the online classes. Today we will start with the final term course, and the first chapter of final term course is chapter number 9, that is decimals. As we have learned about decimals in our previous class, how to name it, how to add it, how to subtract it. So once we will go for the short revision. What do you mean by decimals? Decimals is a type of fraction. We can also say that fractions, when we are having 10, 100, 1000 as their denominator and any of the number as a numerator, that means we can convert it into decimal form. See here, we can see this picture is having 10 parts and out of 10, 1 is shaded. So what is the fraction for this? 1 upon 10. Each picture shows 1 upon 10. So this is its fraction form. And if we want to write it in the points, that means 0.1. This is its decimal form. The next picture is showing that 8 parts are colored out of 10. इस picture में 10 parts में divided है and out of 10 parts 8 are colored. So what is the fraction of this? 8 upon 10. And if you want to write it into decimals, that will be 0.8. Here we can see the 10 parts of pictures are given and out of that 7 are shaded. So the fraction is 7 upon 10, or the decimal, or we can say point is 0.7. In the same way, these are the questions we have to do. Now see here, this picture is having 100 parts and out of 100, 1 is shaded. So what is the fraction of this? 1 upon 100. That means 0.01. Here out of 100 parts, 7 is shaded. So fraction is 7 upon 100. And the decimal number is 0.07. In the same way, many questions are given here to practice. Now we will learn how to write down a fraction in the decimal number. See here, this is a classwork exercise given on the page number 111, and this exercise you have to solve in book only. Don't do in copy, only book. So here is a fraction 7 upon 10. We have to write down its decimal number. As we can see, only 1 0 is given as a denominator. So before one digit we will put decimal. So 0.7 is the answer. And in words we can write down 0.7. Next number is 65 upon 100. 2 zeros are given in the denominator. So before 2 digits we will put the point. So 65 से पहले point लगेगा 0.65. So we will write down 0.65. Next number is given as a decimal number 0.435. Decimal number is given, we have to write down in fraction. So after the decimal we are having 3 digits. So we have to put 3 zeros, or we will say 1000 in the denominator. 435 upon 1000. And in words, how will you write? 0.435. After the decimal, numbers will be written separately. It will be written 435, not 435. Next number is 237 upon 100. We have to write down the decimal number. 2 zeros are given here. So before the 2 digits, we will put the point. So 3 से पहले point आएगा. Answer is 2.37. Or we can say 2.37. Next number is 15.3. In the words it is given, we have to write down the decimal number 15.3. And what is its fraction form? After the point we are having only one digit. So 153 upon 10. Now here is a number 145, 695 upon 1000. This is a mixed fraction. So we can see 145 is a whole number and 695 के नीचे 3 zeros हैं. तो 3 digit से पहले point लग जाएगा. 145.695. And it will be written as 145.695. Decimal से पहले number joint लिखे जाएंगे, decimal के बाद separately लिखे जाएंगे. Now we will learn the place value and decimals. Decimals are having different systems of the place value. Here a number is given to you 1111.111. That is 1111.111. डेसिमल से पहले नंबर्स जॉइंट करके बोले जाते हैं, डेसिमल के बाद नंबर्स सेपरेटली बोले जाते हैं. सो डेसिमल से पहले फर्स्ट प्लेस वैल्यू इज वंस, सेकेंड वन इज टेंस, थर्ड वन इज हंड्रेड एंड फोर्थ वन इज थाउजेंड्स. और डेसिमल से बाद में फर्स्ट डिजिट इज टेंथ. यहां वंस नहीं होता. डेसिमल के बाद फर्स्ट नंबर इज टेंथ, THS. सेकेंड नंबर इज हंड्रेड and third number is thousand. Here is an example given to you, 6785.293. So how will we read it? 6785.293. 6 is at thousand place value, 7 as hundreds, 8 at tens and 5 at ones. And this 2 is at tenth, 9 is at hundredth and 3 is at thousandth. So these are the place value system for the decimal number. And here is an exercise. You have to solve it in book only. Here we have to write down the place value of the circled one. This 5 is after the decimal. The first place value is tenth, second one is hundredth. So it is 500th. After the spelling of 100 you have to write down THS. This 6 is at tenth, 6 tenth. This 4 is before the decimal, so it is 40, 40. This 5 is also before decimal. This is 5 ones, or we can say 5 only. This 5 is after the decimal, so it is 5,000th. You have to write down yourself. This 8 is after the decimal. This is 800th. Now there is a question here. Write the decimal number for the expansion. This is expanded form and we have to write down decimal number. So this is 425. When we will write down 425. And these are in the fractional form, that means after the decimal. This is 3, 4 and 7. Here 8,607. 8,607.321. 3 at tenth, 2 at hundredth and 1 at thousandth. Now you have to write down the expanded form for this question and fraction form of this question. This 1 is at 100, so we will write down 100. This 7 is at tens, so we will write down 70. This 8 is at ones, so we will write down 8 only. 3 is at tenth, so we will write down 0.3 because they are asking in decimal form. 4 is at hundredth, so we will write down 0.04. And this 5 is at thousand, so we will write down 0.005. This is the decimal expansion. Now we have to write down fractional expansion. This 2 is at tens, 6 at ones, then 8 is at tenth, 7 is at hundredth and 9 is at thousand. This is the fractional form. That's it for today. Thank you and God bless you.